There's Leanne here. This is Gabi. Wave. We're at the Human Edge AI training stall at the AWS Girls Tech Day 2024 in Stanhope Gardens at Blacktown Leisure Centre. It's absolutely awesome. We've had so much fun using prompts to create short stories with the grades 3 to 6. We're about to hear from the year 7 to year 12 students, all girls. It's basically to get them encouraged to get involved with STEM. So we've been doing, getting everyone to write on a piece of paper one of these things, a colour, an animal, a number, a sound, shape, flower, etc. Similar to what Gabi's showing. And then I'm plugging into AI. We're then creating a short story from it, and then changing the genre, and then which a lot of kids want to do horror for some reason. And then we're also changing it to preschoolers and all that to simplify the language. So we're having so much fun. It's been nuts. The kids have been grabbing all the pens and all the lollies, and we look forward to now about to deal with the high school students. So wish us luck.